Hi everyone, good morning. This is Pri and there's Suri in the background. I swear this kid smiles. Like, he's actually a really happy, smiley boy. I don't know why he's putting on a face every time I film a story. Anyway, I am just at his childcare centre, so I'm gonna go drop him off and then I'll hop back on and chat. So drop-off is done. It took a little longer than usual because I just had to give them some instructions. Suri has a really bad nappy rash at the moment, and he needs like a specific ointment, Kennicomb, applied on that. And it's so bad that he's actually taking antibiotics because he gets fungally and then infected and it doesn't go away. And he's had this once before, so he's yeah, poor baby. It was really bad yesterday, but he basically had his nappy off the whole day yesterday. And then with the antibiotics and cream, he was much better this morning, so I decided to send him to childcare. I should say that this is actually not a typical Wednesday for us because I'm still on school holidays. I'm a high school teacher and I don't go back to work until next week on Wednesday. So normally Wednesdays, like, we're out of the house by 7:15 or 7:30, and then Suri's at childcare at the childcare is about 25 minutes away. And so yeah, our days start really early, and normally my husband gets him ready while I get ready, and then we leave and he gets dropped off and I go straight to school. So yeah, it's not a typical Wednesday. It's really cruisy for me. I'm gonna go drop this book off at the library, pick up a new one, go to the Indian grocery store, which I can show you if you're interested, because I'm gonna do some cooking for dinner tonight. So yeah, cruisy day. At the grocery store, this is called MKS. It's an Indian Sri Lankan store, and it's huge. Like, so many Indian spices, Sri Lankan spices, rice, frozen food, fresh food. Like, if you come, this place is packed from 11 a.m. onwards because people just come to get lunch and stuff. And yeah, today I just got some frozen roti ready-made because I'm a lazy Indian woman and I can't be bothered making it from scratch, and some nice thick Indian yogurt. I'm back home now and I thought I should properly introduce myself and also maybe show you Suri's room. So yes, I'm Priyanka. I'm 32 and I'm an EAL high school teacher. So I teach English as an additional language. And my husband's name is Max. He's 33. He's an architect, but he works in development management now. And Suri, whose full name is Surya, is 16 months today, actually. So yeah, Surya means the sun, like in the sky, in Sanskrit, which is an ancient language from India. I'm Indian, but I've lived in Australia since I was 13. My husband is Australian, but his ethnic background is Ukrainian. So we're a bit of a melting pot over here. So this is Suri's room, which is like Shane, so boring and so basic. We've this house for a month because we were living with my parents for the whole of last year. And we're only going to be in this house for another 2 months because hopefully in March our own place that we're constructing will be ready. So his room is really rudimentary, just has all the basics. His cot, and then just opposite his cot is our little lifesaver here, the Glow Dreaming, which we've been using for about 7 months. I think 6 or 7 months. And since we started using that, he's been sleeping through the night, like completely sleeping through the night. Instead of me sitting here without my child saying every boring random thing that pops into my head, maybe I'll just put a question box down here and I'll answer them instead of just blathering.